This is a new Garmin Instinct 2 Solar. Let's check it out and see what's inside. In the box you got some packaging, some manuals and safety information, as well as regular Garmin charger like this, as well as the watch itself. The watch itself looks really nice, and it's also a fairly thick watch. However, not that bulky as some other watches. It's a perfect combination of just the right size. And yeah, on the back you got this heart rate sensor, and while wearing it, you can't really feel it that well as well. And you can charge it using this port here. The strap is highly adjustable to fit any size of the wrist really. The watch itself looks really nice indeed, and the visibility of the screen is absolutely superb. And it's even good in direct sunlight as well. The build quality also appears to be of very nice and premium quality. It's all plastic, however the plastic on it used is actually of very decent quality and a high-end plastic basically. And it has got proper military standard protection. It's shockproof, waterproof and thermal-proof basically. Even though the watch strap feels kinda good, I don't think it's the most durable. I have worn this watch for some time, and you can see it has started to rub off this layer here. So that's not that cool on this watch. You got 5 buttons on it, 3 on this side and 2 on this. They are also fully customizable to use as hotkeys. For example, I have set this top one to quickly launch a timer, and also this bottom one to quickly launch a stopwatch. However, you can customize to these buttons to a lot of actions. Also you can customize, so for example you can press 2 buttons at the same time to launch a certain feature that you prefer. Personally, if I got this Solar version, however, I wouldn't suggest you this Solar version because I find it to be nothing more than a gimmick really. And even if you have got a good weather outside, it won't charge much for you. From my tests, the GPS and heart rate sensor is extremely good on this watch. However, the same can't be said about the step counter, and it's highly inaccurate on this watch. From my test, it's around 35% inaccurate, so it undercounts by around 35%, and yeah, it completely sucks really. Also, it has all the training features that all the high-end Garmin watches have, and also recovery stuff as well. So training readiness, stress store, pulse oxygen, your performance, VO2 max, HRV status, and you can even do health snapshots and many more things such as body battery, all kinds of great stuff, just as you get on all the most high-end Garmin watches. So if you don't care about the accuracy of the step counter, which is terrible on this watch, this is one of the best fitness tracking watches you can currently purchase. It has got a crazy huge battery life, it's very durable, and also it looks very nice. However, if you're looking for a watch that can track your steps more accurately, I would suggest to get a Galaxy watch or an Apple Watch, as they are much better. Also, I would suggest you to save your money and get the regular Instinct 2 if you want this watch, because again the solar charging is a complete gimmick and it's almost completely useless on this watch, unless you live in hot tropics, as really you need basically take off your watch and expose it directly to sunlight to get any meaningful results from this solar charging stuff. Anyway, if this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you!